Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Cisco Packet Tracer on Kali Linux. Currently I'm using the latest version of Kali Linux. If you want to download the Cisco Packet Tracer, you visit the website, the Cisco Resource Hub, in this URL, which is netarcade.com/resources. Then you scroll down to Cisco Packet Tracer, download the package for Ubuntu. The current version is 9.0. After downloading it, you open your terminal. Then you navigate to your download directory. Downloads. It should be here. Then next thing, we run sudo abc install /Cisco Packet Tracer. Input your password. And wait for the installation process. So you accept the software license agreement by entering to and the installation is successful. So if the actual packet tracer, well, it may not have. So the best thing you can do is to run it from your command line by saying packet tracer. And we have successfully installed packet tracer. Okay. So now you can log in and do everything you need to do with it. If you happen to face any errors during the installation process, feel free to message me, as I would like to ensure that this process works for everyone. Stop recording.